Right there, get the one on the front. Yeah. Right there. Yeah, we're gonna die out here. Yeah, I think this is Luke's first time going on the swings. Oh. Here comes Luke. Oh. Woo-hoo-hoo. Shirt today, so you can see him. Whoa. Oh yeah. Woo-hoo. Oh, he got a good one. He got a fast car. He got 16.
I want 8.
Yeah.
I wish I got 8.
Liam's first time on bumper cars. They let him ride. It's supposed to be 48 inches, but he's only 47. But we took his hair and we made his hair big, like the flock of seagulls, and they let him ride on.
Tippy toe too.
Oh, you also did tippy toes. Yeah, she'd even look at you. She was like, "Yeah, that's good." Yeah, she had the stick out, but you were totally tall enough. Come on, well, you did good, man. All right, let's go that way. Liam, tell me, how was your experience on the bumper car? Oh, remind you of Mario Kart.
And when you hit
12, I gotta go.
Milk, I thought it's like the items. You can throw that.
Oh, it reminds you of hitting items like in Mario Kart and getting stuff. All right, Luke. How was it for you?
Well, like a team of girls came and smashed the hell out of me.
A team of girls smashed the hell out of you, really?
Back.
There's Luke over there. We get him with this. Let's try to shoot it. You want to shoot it? Here, put one in there. Put one in there, and then shoot the green button. Whoa! Oh! Put it in. Aim. Aim. Shoot. There you go. Do it again. What? He's trying to get us over there. Get him. Here. Oh, he almost got us. Oh! What? Grab that ball. Grab that ball. Grab that ball. Hurry. But tilt it back. Tilt it back. It's going to roll out. Shoot him. Oh, yeah. Almost got him. Oh, no. Uh-oh. Watch out. Watch out. Oh! Here he goes, here he goes. What? Uh-oh. Watch out! Whoa. Whoa! Yeah, got him!
Get right to me.
Oh! 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 All right. All right. Oh yeah! Look at you guys. Woohoo! We got double cameras. Hey, does the rooster do anything, or he just stands there like that?
He just stands there like that.
Oh, he's not feeling too good today? Oh, okay, we got a thumbs up. All right, his thumb moves. Okay. All right, thumbs up, guys. Thumbs up. Luke and Liam, thumbs up. Okay. Peace sign. Okay, Sylvester knows the peace sign. Oh, the rooster does too. All right, high five. High five him. Don't miss and hit him. Okay, guys. Now put your hands up against the glass. Don't hit the glass, just put your hands up. And maybe it'll come. Oh, there he comes. Look, he saw you. Here he comes. Put your hands in. He wants to say hi to you. Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. Whoa. Look at that. What? He can see you from all the way across the water. Keep your face on the glass. His shark friend is like, maybe I want to eat one of those. I want to eat one of those kids. Uh-oh. He doesn't like your faces, apparently. Okay, try your butt.
What?
Turn around, put your butt right there. Put your butt on the glass. Turn around, put your butt there. Okay, let's see if he likes your butt. Ah, let's see. Let me see, look right here. Oh. Woohoo. Whoa. Ah. Wow. Please stay with us, look. Over here, look over here. Wow. Look over there, shark.
Did you see this at the
Whoa. Wow. Look, Liam, shark.
that baby shark? Fish are so scared. Look at fish though. It's like hiding.
Ah. Look at that. Oh, look at that guy over there.
That's a big one.
Wow. Oh, wow. He's right above us, guys. He's right above us. Wow.
No, I don't want to lose it, please. No. What about the movie?
Wow. Okay, go over there. Go over there toward the glass.
That's a lot of water.
Okay, stay there and watch the fish. Oh, you scared him. You see his face there? Can you sit down on the ground, both of you? You sit right there and look at him. You can reach your hand out if you want. Don't touch the glass though.
Someone painted this.
You guys wore the perfect color for this today. Yeah, that is.
There's an eel on there.
There's a giant eel in the middle. Yes, there is.
Is this a pufferfish?
I don't know what he's called, but he's beautiful.
And no touching accent. Is this a bone or what?
Let's see. Are real. Oh my gosh, look. Oh my, Luke, stay with us. Wow. 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 It's very humid in here. Wow, this is beautiful. I love this place. Absolutely love this place. Every time I've come here, it's been closed or it's been the wrong season. And now I'm finally here. Really beautiful. What? I gotta see it? Whoa. Wow. Wow. Seriously, there's a big butterfly right there? So amazing. I love it. Wow. I love this place. I think this will be the, oh my gosh. Are they hungry? Put your hand right there. Touch the fish. Wow.
Oh, wow. I like it. Oh, one of them like you.
Yeah. Ah, so beautiful here. Hold him. Turn him over. Yeah.
Something's right here.
Just put him back there. Put him right here. Put him right here. Oh, okay, right there is good too. You remember when you were little, you raised butterflies? Oh, look at that. They're eating. Show me what's that way, guys. Show me.
This way, this is where the giant turtle is. Giant turtle is right there.
That looks really fun. There it goes. Nice.